Advanced security, connectivity, high-resolution timers, precision analog, capacitive touch sensing. Renesas RA4 microcontroller series has it all. Greetings, I'm Ashish Ahuja at Renesas Electronics. In this video, I will show you the innovation kits for the RA4M2 and RA4M3 microcontroller groups. Using these innovation kits, you can quickly and easily develop proof of concepts for many applications that require enhanced security, such as automated metering, industrial robotics, building control, automation, etc. We'll talk about the key features of the kits, unbox them, and run the quick start example project that comes pre-programmed on the kits. So let's open the boxes and look at what's inside. To help you get started effortlessly, the kits come with a welcome card that has useful links to get information and technical support, required accessories, an MCU board with pre-mounted pin headers and programmed quick start example project. These kits are part of a product lineup that provides an unparalleled combination of standardization and flexibility that helps you shorten the learning curve, speed up development, allow time for differentiated innovation, and to take your end products to market faster. The boards consist of two sections. The first section consists of the ecosystem and system control area that features onboard debugging, ecosystem expansion, serial connectivity, power regulation, user IOs, reset, and boot configuration. This section is standard on all the boards based on this architecture. The second section is unique to each board. It comprises the special feature access and native MCU pin access areas. The special feature access area consists of 32 MB external quad-SPI flash. The MCU native pin access area provides direct access to the RA4M3 and RA4M2 terminals through male pin headers, as well as clamping loop for precise current measurement. Now let's run the quick start example project that showcases some of the cool features such as unique ID, USB full speed, quad SPI, and ADC. It can serve as an excellent starting point for you to create more advanced applications later on. Let's power up the kits now. Use the provided USB cable to connect the kit to the USB port of the host PC. The white power LED will light up. The blue user LED will flash, indicate that the quick start example project is executing. Next, we will use the terminal emulation application such as TerraTerm on the host PC to communicate with the RA MCU via USB CDC. Launch the application and select the COM port the board is connected to. The welcome screen will appear. Select various menu options to demo the differentiated capabilities of the MCU such as unique ID, ADC, timers, GPIO, USB, and quad SPI. Press 1 to view kit information. Press 2 to compare the write and read times to and from external flash over quad SPI interface. The third menu option shows next steps and some useful links. Refer to the quick start guide to learn how to modify, build, and debug this example project and reprogram your kit. The innovation kits also feature multiple debugging modes that allow you to debug the RA microcontroller on the kits or on your custom boards. The kits are also compatible with popular ecosystems. The expansion ports allow you to conveniently enhance the functionality of the kits by simultaneously connecting several third-party add-ons. You may also connect general-purpose prototyping board to implement custom functionality, enabling you to quickly put together various sophisticated and real-world end applications. In this video, we looked at the new EK-RA4M2 and EK-RA4M3 innovation kits using which you can effortlessly develop sophisticated IoT and embedded products and take them to market faster. We hope that you enjoy innovating these kits as much as we have enjoyed developing them. Get them today and bring your big ideas to life.